Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to discuss what is Cambodia V-Pass, how it is used and its benefits. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right guys, so let's proceed. So guys, I have opened this arrival government website of Cambodia. You see they have a link for V-App. But first of all, let me tell you what exactly it is. Okay. So traditionally, when you cross international borders, how things work, like an officer verifies your passport and put a stamp, right? But that requirement has been replaced. They are no longer stamping passport beginning July 1st, 2025. So it's quite some time. So basically, you will get a V pass via email after passing immigration. So this is going to be your official proof of entry and stay. Okay. And you can access through your email where you receive, and you can also go to that this arrival website that I'm showing you, uh, you, that how to retrieve it, and you can also do it through Cambodia e-arrival mobile app. Okay, so when you depart the country or anytime it is asked, you don't have to worry about the immigration stamps in your passport. Just to show that you have entered the country legally, you can show the stamps. Okay, now let's come to this page. So if you when you go to VPass, if you if you'll definitely, like when you had applied for your visa, you'll have signed up with, you have provided an email, so you can use that to log in and do. But you can still log in as a guest, and you can retrieve with a passport information. So just put passport number, date of passport expiry, entry, date of entry, date of birth, passport issued country, and then you can retrieve. Okay, of course I cannot show you because I have not been to Cambodia, at least as of now. So in this way, it works. So the easiest would be e-arrival app. I'll try to make a video about that. But yeah, online also you can retrieve like this. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.